Let's see what's going on here. Man, all this caulk. Man, that ain't even right. It's done. What a mess. It's gonna all get replaced and all done. Solder in right here behind the wall. It'll be much better. Alright, let's go. Well, that's better. There's a lot of mold in here though. I'm gonna have to cut all that stuff out, replace it. The soldering shouldn't be too bad. Get it done real quick, like BAM! Wow, that's interesting. That's like really unbelievable. That's like the first truck I seen around here that was just like mine. That one's similar. I don't know if he's got the 8-foot bed on there or not. It looks like it. That's pretty tight right there. Got all my stuff. I got this new rigid ratcheting pipe cutter. It's gonna save me a lot of time. I'll show you how to use it later on. I think it's time to put this mask on. That wasn't too bad. This will be all cleaned up and nice when it's done. Remember this. See how nice it looks when it's done. That nasty stuff. I'm gonna clean it all up real good. Caulk it in, seal it, done. And this tool is so cool. Yeah. Now I just gotta fit it all together, pre-cut my pieces, solder it, and be done. So what you gotta do, you take this here, you stick the wheel on the pipe, you just tighten it up, you just keep ratcheting it, and see it's scoring the line in there. It's gonna pop right off in a minute. There you go. But this is how it's supposed to look before you solder. All the joints clean, sand it, that's what you need. Get it nice and hot. And burn the side. And it's done. Job well done.
Hey yo, just call me prosperous, ain't nobody dropping this top in this level of pack metal. I'm more powerful than the devil, I'm not a rebel, but I kick bass, I don't relate to trouble. Got the power of the saving grace, you can't debate, I'm clever. Hey yo, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. Stay tuned for more raps and new construction footage, and if you think there's anything I could add, just let me know, because it's for you. You can check me out at Twitter on the link below, and until next time, peace!